Versatile design. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Valve required. This trim kit requires valve number 2510, 2520, 2570, or 2590 to complete installation. Long-standing flexibility. Built on the Moen M-PACT common valve system, allowing you to update the faucet style in the future without replacing any plumbing. WaterSense certified. Meets EPA WaterSense criteria to conserve water without sacrificing performance. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other faucets and accessories in the Genta LX Collection. The Genta LX bathroom suite offers a streamlined design with a contemporary feel that's both elegant and practical. The perfectly matching tub/shower creates a cohesive look throughout the room. The Genta LX tub/shower features Moen's Posi-Temp valve, a pressure-balancing shower valve that adjusts automatically to changes in waterline pressure, ensuring constant and comfortable water temperatures. Top reviews from the United States. Pay attention to the description. Please learn from my mistake and read the description. I didn't, and when we went to install it, realized I didn't order the valve that you must purchase in order to install. I, unfortunately, had to return this product and make a trip to Lowe's for a replacement as my helper was only available that day. I was so happy with the great deal that I got, but once you add the price of the valve, it's about the same price as one in store. It's definitely a high-quality, gorgeous trio that I hope to repurchase the next time I replace my shower faucets.